Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum on Coinbase. And first of all, it's real quick and simple, but first of all, you will need to set up your account, to verify your account, to add payment method. And after that, you're going to click on the top right corner right here, buy and sell. And here is the buy section. And you need to choose the currency you want to buy. So for example, if you want to buy Ethereum, and you're going to choose which payment method, for example, if you want to pay with your credit card or with your bank account, you basically choose the option which is the best for you. You enter the amount of Ethereum, and after that you click on buy Ethereum. And after that, the Ethereum will appear on your portfolio right here on portfolio balance. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you buy Ethereum on Coinbase. And if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye.